Hello, Brian Burkhardt here with Saddle Hills Leathercraft. I'm going to show you how to use this template to make a bottle carrier. The template has a strip of anti-slip tape on the back, so when you put it on your leather, it doesn't slide around. This here is a piece of SB Foot Oiltan, and I'm just using one of these white leather marking pens. And then I'm just going to do all the lines on here. I like to go one section towards the outside at a time, so there's like 8 different sections. And then there's the 2 handles on the outside, which I'll show you in a minute. That's all the sections, and now the 2 handles on the outside. And that's it. Whoops, I did forget one. Okay, gotta put it back on there. Good thing is you can see all the lines through there. There, that should be the last section. Okay, so now all the sections are done. Now I just use an Olfa knife with the black blades. I find those are by far the sharpest ones, and I tend to use a new section for every one of these that I cut out. I calculated that if you buy them in a pack of 50, these black blades for about $30 Canadian at Home Depot, and each blade has 8 sections, so one section costs about 8 cents Canadian, and that's well worth it for me to have a nice sharp blade each time. So I'm just going to follow all the lines, and a couple things about cutting really nice lines with one of these Olfa knives. First of all, you want to always have your tip in the cutting mat. There's 2 reasons for that. When your tip is in the cutting mat, that means you're going to be cutting through the leather for sure with one cut. You're not going to have to go over any section more than once. And the second thing about having your tip in the cutting mat is that you have a lot more control over your knife. You have more control over the speed and over the direction that your knife is going to go. So keep your tip down. You can feel it when it's down in the cutting mat, and you can also hear it. It sounds different if you're just cutting the leather than if you actually have the knife in the cutting mat. Alright, and after that, I just do these 8 sections one at a time. Work my way around. It's going to take about maybe 5 minutes to cut all the lines, so I'll pause the video and turn it back on. So all the lines are cut. So set your wine bottle on it, lift up the handles, and you have a nice wine bottle carrier. Thanks for watching.